Hi, Sheila here from Satin Crystals. I just wanted to give you a brief, short video about how to use the Moqui Marbles as a clearing of the space or any negative energies that you have around you. So this is the way that you can use them by rubbing them together. They have a distinct sound. You can also tap them and just release and kind of scare away any of the energies that you are not wanting. So that's the pair of Moqui Marbles, female and male, and this is the noise they make. Kind of like a chirping sound, and then you can clang them together.